Hi, amazing people! Welcome back to my channel. It's cooking time again with Rola. So for today's video, I am gonna show you how to cook spicy cabbage soup with sardines, another Filipino food that you are surely like. So here are the ingredients. So we have our garlic, tomatoes, onions, and of course, yung sili natin na para pang paanghang. Have our cabbage, yung sardines natin. So for today, we're gonna use mega sardines. This is hot and spicy. And for our seasoning, we have magic sarap, oil, and we also have our salt. We already have our ingredients ready, so let's start cooking. So let's first heat the pan. Our pan is already hot. That's the time that we are going to pour a little amount of oil. Alright, so we're ready to saute our onions first. So as I've mentioned on my previous cooking vlogs, I usually start with onions. This is to make sure that we're not gonna be burning our garlic, diba? Kasi ang dali nilang masunog. So I usually start with onions. I've learned this one from a friend, and he advised me not to start with garlic when you're going to saute. So stir lang tayo, just like that. So our goal is to make it light brown, hindi po sunog. Kasi pag sunog, mapait. So, ganyan lang. So, pag mag-light brown na siya, so we're ready to add our garlics. Pero hindi pa siya nag-light brown, so stir muna tayo. Just like that, yeah. So, since our onions are already light brown, so we already added our garlic. So we're just going to stir, but you have to make sure that you're not going to burn them. So stir lang po tayo, just like that. Pwede kayo mag-stir and then sayaw, char lang. And then we're ready to add our diced tomatoes. Yung kamatis natin na mapupula, char lang. So lagay natin lahat. So our tomatoes are good for our heart, char lang. So there you go. Stir and stir and stir. Stir lang po tayo. Hanggang sa maluto. Maluto po ha, hindi ma-burn. Hindi sunog para hindi naman mapait. And then, pag okay na, we are going to add our sili. 4 na piraso lang po yan. We're just going to mix them all together. So, stir lang po tayo. Just like that. And then, once everything is already okay, we're now going to add our sardines. So, it's up to you if you're going to use yung hindi maanghang na mega sardines or any sardines that you would like to use. Okay, so we're just going to mix it just like that. Next step is to add 3 cans of water. So I've just used the mega sardines can, but depending na rin sa inyo if you want to add more. Ready boiling. So this time we're ready to season it with salt and our magic syrup. So just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle just like that. Sprinkle, and once done, we're going to mix it. Mix and mix. Oh, we already added our cabbage as well, so we're just going to let it simmer. Going to let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes, but you have to make sure not to overcook your cabbage. So we're done for today's recipe, guys. So hope you enjoy your spicy cabbage soup with sardines. Till next time.